If you've got a USG LITE 60AX, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll show you how to set up Remote Access VPN on the USG LITE 60AX using the Nebula platform, from IT configuration to Windows user connection. Here's how. Let's start with the admin side. Log into Nebula with your Zyxel account. From the menu, go to Configure, then Security Router, and select Remote Access VPN. Enable the IPsec VPN server. This allows users to connect securely from outside the office. Under Authentication, click Create Cloud Auth Account. Set email, username, and password, then click Create User to proceed. Now download the VPN configuration file and send the file securely to the employee. Let's switch to the employee side to set up the VPN on their computer. Extract the configuration file from the admin to the preferred location. Open the folder, then go into the IPsec VPN subfolder. Check the README file for installation notes. Double-click the VPN setup script. When prompted, click Run to continue. The script will now install the required VPN certificate automatically. Once the setup is complete, simply press any key to continue. Next, go to the system tray, then click the VPN icon to open the menu. Click Connect, then enter the username and password provided by the admin. When the status changes to Connected, the Remote Access VPN is now successfully established. Let's switch back to the admin view. The admin can now verify the user connection in Nebula. From the side menu, go to Monitor, then Security Router, and select VPN Connections. Here, you can check the login account, assigned IP, and connection uptime. The tunnel is now active. Now you know how to set up Remote Access VPN on USG LITE 60AX with Nebula for Windows users. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to leave a comment or join the conversation in our community.